Let's take a closer look at the Songmics Shoe Rack that comes in an 8-tier shoe organizer. Now I decided to break it down into 4 and 4. I have one close to my closet, and then I have another 4-tier in the back of my closet. Now this shoe rack is solid metal, and it does have a lip here, as you can see, to prevent the shoes from falling forward. This shoe organizer has an adjustable shelf, which means you can have the shelves be flat or you can have the shelves be on an angle. And I chose the angle version. I think it just makes it easier for me to access my shoes. And then number 2, because of the mesh shelving units, my heels do not slip through, which I think is a real advantage to the shoe organizer. And each shelf can hold up to 40 pounds, and it is heavy duty. This shoe rack is very easy to assemble, and you can install it within minutes. But let me show you something my husband did to make this shelf very sturdy for me. What he did is he put a tie wrap, and there's a little hook right behind it. He attached the tie wrap to the hook, and now as you can see, this shoe rack is not going anywhere. It is solid, it's made of metal, and it has that lip so the shoes don't fall forward, and I highly recommend it.